Hi guys, I'm Linnea and welcome back to my kitchen. I have a passion for bold flavors and creating something new. Let's go ahead and get started on our sweet treat today. We have oatmeal cream pies coming right at ya. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. I have a cup and a half of quick oats. Put that all in. The nice thing about this recipe is literally you can dump everything in. You put them into little balls, bake them, and you're ready to go. All right, then we have a half a cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. We have a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, and you're gonna use the white or clear corn syrup here. All right, we have a 1/4 cup of really finely chopped pecans, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then you got your 1 egg. Put that in, and I just quickly scrambled that up. And then we have room temperature butter, and sorry, that's gonna be a half a cup of butter. All right, then you're gonna go ahead and get a little bit messy. I like to use my hands for this. You can incorporate things so much better. All right, let's go ahead and layer. All right, just keep mushing it up until it's fully combined. It has this wet sand consistency, I would say. So once you start feeling like that and you feel like it's mostly mixed up, then you should be good to go. All right, I'm gonna give my hands a quick wash and get our baking sheet ready with our parchment paper on it. All right, all hands are washed up. Now we can grab our baking sheet here. So just a nice small baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I did spray a little bit of cooking spray on there, nonstick cooking spray. I have a little tiny scooper, so go ahead and scoop right in. I'm gonna pat it down here, get any excess off, and we're gonna just scoop away. All right, so once they're all scooped out on your baking tray, you can go ahead and give them a nice little roll, and then you're just gonna smush them down. All right, you guys, go ahead and pop that in your 350-degree oven. They take about 10 minutes. You'll see a little golden edge on there, and then you'll know that they're ready to be pulled out. All right, I'm gonna clean this up just a tiny little bit, get all our stuff out of the way. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our frosting made. So what I have here is 3/4 of a cup melted butter. Brought it to room temperature. While it's going to room temperature, I just give it a quick little stir. That way you can keep incorporating your butter. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a touch of kosher salt, and then we have 2 cups of powdered sugar here. So this is, to me, the easier way to do this without a stand mixer. Oh, I'm sweating. All right, now that our frosting is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and get our cookies that have now cooled to room temp, and we can go ahead and frost them, make them into cute little sandwiches, and drizzle them with caramel. All right, so now we have our room temp cooled cookies. We're gonna take our spoon here, take the inside of the cookie. You're just gonna take a big old dollop of frosting and smush your other top right on top. Little cute oatmeal cream pies. All right, so we'll get our last cookie frosted. So cute. And then go ahead and put them on any kind of plate that you would like to serve them. Get all of this out of the way here. My favorite part about these cookies is salted caramel sauce. Just like to go ahead and get it drizzled all right on top. All right, guys, these are perfect for a cold, chilly night outside, coming back in after a big old snowfall. Serve it with some warm milk, some hot tea, anything. some hot cocoa, be perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite, but after that, you will not hear from me again. So please like, subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see next. All right, we'll see you next time.